Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Wine. I'm Chelsea and today we're making creme brulee. Creme brulees might seem like a daunting task, but there's actually only 4 ingredients in it and it's super simple. So here we have 5.5 ounces of sugar with 6 egg yolks. We have 1 quart of heavy cream. So we're gonna blend this up with our mixer until we get a nice, light, frothy, light yellow color. And while we're doing that, we have a quart of heavy cream heating up on our stove. You want to bring your heavy cream just to a boil, and then you want to take it right off the heat. You want to be stirring this often. We don't want to scald the milk. We just want to bring it to a boil, turn it right off, and now we're going to add about a tablespoon of vanilla to this. Now I'm going to pour it into a pitcher so that it's easier to temper into our egg mixture, and I just want to show you how light and creamy this egg and sugar mixture is. We want to beat that until we get it kind of to a ribbon stage here and it's a nice pale yellow. We have our tempered hot cream into our eggs now, and I'm just going to pour it back into this pitcher. As you can see, we beat a whole lot of air into that, and we want to give this a second to kind of separate all of those air bubbles so we get a nice thick creamy texture of custard. So we're just going to set this aside for 5-10 minutes, come back and pour it into our ramekins. So you can see how there's a lot more froth up here at the top. We're gonna scoop some of this froth off. We want this nice dense custard part to go into our ramekins. So now we're gonna bake these at 325 for an hour and a half to 2 hours. And we're gonna bake these in a bain-marie, also known as a water bath. So you can see I'm pouring water into this tray here, and we're gonna come back and give them the little jiggly test in about an hour and a half. So here we are with our finished creme brulee. It's been in the fridge for a couple of hours to make it nice and firm. And we're gonna use 2 packets of sugar in the raw. I like raw sugar better. It just gives a little better of a caramelization on it. I'm going to push this all the way up to the sides, all around, and now we're going to torch it. You want to make sure you get all of these sugar granules nice and melted. You can go a little heavy or a little light on your caramelization, but it's definitely a little bit better if you have a nice, thick, brown topping on it. It's not a creme brulee without this torching procedure. So the test to any really good creme brulee is this. Hear that sound? That is a perfect caramelization on top. So now we're just gonna cut through. Look at how creamy, delicious, that caramelization. Perfect.